This is one of the riskiest ways engineers install machine parts. It's a process known as shrink fitting. If you touch the part with your bare hand, your skin could stick to it instantly, just like touching an ice-cold metal pole in winter. That's because these components have just been submerged in liquid nitrogen at 321 degrees. So why don't engineers just install them normally? The answer is simple. At room temperature, they simply don't fit. Take bearings or metal bushings, for example. They require an extremely tight interference fit. If there's even a small gap, the machine can vibrate, loosen, and wear out once it starts running. That's why engineers intentionally make the parts slightly oversized. The problem is, that also makes them impossible to install by force, so they use a smarter approach. First, the inner part is cooled in liquid nitrogen. As the metal reaches extremely low temperatures, it contracts and its diameter becomes slightly smaller. For a short time, it slides perfectly into place. Then, as it warms back to room temperature, it expands again and locks tightly inside the outer part. A simple idea, but an incredibly effective engineering solution. So, if you had a tank full of liquid nitrogen, what would you freeze first?